Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create AWS architecture diagrams in draw.io. Well, the first thing I want you to do is just come here to the left hand panel, click on more shapes, okay? And then here I want you to scroll down until under networking you see AWS. So there's different options. There's AWS 17, 18, 2025. You can go ahead and see all the shapes that are available, and you just need to toggle them on, as you can see, okay? And then just click here on apply, right? And now when you come on the left hand panel, you will get all of these shapes actually available. So to bring one in, let's say from here, AWS 3D, you just drag and drop a shape. So just like this one, let's say Oracle Data Center. And then I'll bring in another shape. Just for example, let's say this one right here, okay? And to connect these two shapes, all you need to do is just hover over a connection point, and then when you see a plus icon next to your cursor, just drag and drop the arrow to connect, okay? As you can see right here. And what you can also do is you can use templates. So come here, click on arrange, click on insert, click here on template. And now if you click on cloud, this is a drop down. You can choose from any of these AWS templates. So let's bring in this one right here and then just click on insert. And there you go. That is how you can create AWS architecture diagrams in draw.io.